Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we will be looking at how to use the stop loss to trade boom and crash. It is a training session which I started few days ago, 2 days ago, and of course we've done the part 1 and we've done the part 2. In case you missed them, you can go back to the channel to watch them so that you will understand how to go about this. It is a step-by-step training on this particular topic, okay? And of course we will continue from there and we will see how we can use it to trade it even more, okay, so that we can take advantage of this. But before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very important. In short, that has been our secret right here, okay? And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you have any question at all, or you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, before we go on with what we have right away, I want to quickly remind us about the upcoming program. Okay, a lot of people are really excited about this with the results that we are already coming up with. So many people are really excited with this, and I know very sure that things will get better. Okay, we are putting things together and we are already getting ready for that day. It's going to be an amazing opportunity for you to have a chat with me directly, and of course you're going to learn some of my amazing strategies on how you can trade boom and crash successfully, and even other assets. You will know how to know your trend even on your mobile setup and also on your PC, and you will know the exact time to get into the trade and when to exit the trade. Okay, it is going to be specific. Everything you will be getting on that day is going to be specific, and you're going to love them. And we're going to have so many trading bots that will be shared on that day, so that trading tools also, so that you guys can take advantage of them. And of course guys, I will also be sharing with you how to use some of these trading tools. Okay, so these are amazing opportunities that you'll be getting from me directly. Then you will also learn how to grow your small trading capital into a reasonable level. These are some of the things that you will be getting. It is it is much more easier to trade when you have a big trading capital compared to when you have a small trading capital. But in case you don't have that much, you can also grow your trading capital. So you should learn to grow your trading capital into a reasonable level. Okay, so these are some of the things that you will be getting live and direct on the 11th of December. Okay, and the slots have been filled up already, but I have decided I have created a little amount of room for people to come in, because the trading bot will only accommodate a little amount of people. Okay, it won't be able to accommodate so many subscribers. Only few subscribers will be accommodated with it. So once that is filled up, there is nothing I can do about that. So you should take your time and study this and see if it is something you would love to attend before you jump into it. Once you have decided to take part in this, then you can subscribe for it immediately before it will be too late, because I might not open the room again for that. Okay, most especially for some of these trading tools that we will be giving out on that day. So that is all about the program. Let's go straight into what we have right away. So like I said, we will be looking at how to use the stop loss to trade boom and crash. Okay, we started this few days ago and we will continue from there in today's video. Like I have explained earlier, before you can trade stop loss, there is one thing. Before you can even trade any asset, there is one thing that is very important, and that thing is called your trend. Okay, once you know the exact trend to trade that particular asset, then you will be able to trade it for a very long time. And like I've answered this before, that stop loss does not respect spike. Okay, if a spike hits the stop loss, let's say you are in the market, you came in somewhere here, and you impute your stop loss here and it spiked up, it's going to take your stop loss to this level and it will close your trade on this level. That means if it close your trade here, you're going to be in negative. Okay, so how do you now use stop loss to trade boom and crash? This is what we are trying to do. So over the year I thought of how to use this to trade it, but there is one thing you should notice: when the stop loss finished at this stage, it closes my trade immediately, which means if any spike should happen, I won't be in the market again, even though it has closed it in negative already. But this is what you should think of. Okay, how do we turn this to our own advantage? Okay, so that is where we are going to be leveraging on. So for your boom and crash, you will be leveraging on the trend. You will be leveraging on the trend, then you will be leveraging on the time frame. Okay, you will be leveraging on the time frame. Let me use TF for that. Okay, you will be leveraging on the time frame, and I'm going to share that with you. In my last video I shared that of the 5 minutes with you. The reason is I said within 5 minutes it is not possible for it to keep on spiking all till the end of 5 minutes without you having a buy and exit arrow popping up. Okay, so which means if you had been coming down on 5-minute time frame and you had gotten to this level and it spiked up on this particular 5 minutes, but it didn't finish up the 5 minute, let's say it spiked up to this level, it is possible for the exit arrow to pop out here and you would have closed your trade right here. So that makes it very easy for you to trade because you are leveraging on the time frame at that particular point. And if you are in the right trend, all you need to do is, let's say you have been trading and you've gotten to this level and you decide to divide the stage into two, and you input your stop loss at the middle here, and it spiked up and spiked up again. Okay, after spiking up the second time, it stopped here. What is it going to do? It's just going to move your stop loss back to this level and it's going to close your trade for you, which means the profits between your entry point and the end of the spike, which your stop loss is, then will go straight into your balance. The profits will go straight into your balance. Okay, you will only lose the profits between here and where the spike finished. Okay, that is what you will be losing because your stop loss has helped you to close your trade for you. So that is the effects of you knowing your trend and leveraging on your time frame. Okay, so let's go straight. That is why I won't advise you to use stop loss for trading, to trade boom and crash on 1 minute time frame. If at all you're going to use stop loss, start from 5 minutes. Okay, it makes it very easy. So that is what we are trying to do right here. So let's go back to the chart so that we can be more, a little bit practical and see what we are trying to say. Okay, you can see these are 5 minutes candles. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do. You can see, let's say you decide to come in after showing this entry point arrow, you decide to come in somewhere here. After coming in here, the market had gone down. It had gone down to this level, to this level, to a level like this, you can introduce your stop loss in between. You divide it into two, you let your stop loss be at the middle. So this had come down to this level, and this 5 minute candle spiked up to this level. It still did not get to your stop loss. Okay, it did not get to your stop loss because you are on downtrend. Okay, except if you will be having a major reversal in price action, that is when it will get to your stop loss. But if that is not happening, it might not get to your stop loss, so it will still go down. It came down to this level. You can adjust your stop loss to the middle. Okay, so it spiked up again. You can see it still did not get there, but even let's say it's decide, okay, let me go down again, it has gone down, and you still adjust your stop loss. Once you are putting it in the middle, it will give it enough room for the price action to play around. You can say that before it will get to your stop loss, so that by the time it will get to your stop loss, probably it will just push it backward a bit, and it will close your trade for you, and the rest of the profit will be in your wallet immediately. So let's say it has gone down again, and let's say you even decided to put your stop loss somewhere here in order to make more profit, and it spiked up, it got to your stop loss. This is the end of the spike, so it's going to push your stop loss to the end of the spike, so it's going to close your trade for you at that point, and which means the profit between here and your entry point will go straight to your balance. What you will be losing is just a fraction of your profit, okay, which is not really significant at this particular time. You are already making more profit with this, so it makes it very easy for you to trade. It makes it very easy for you to trade. All you just need to do is just to make sure you practice with this. Once you practice with this, you will be able to perfect the trading skills. I'm using 5 minute time frame today. In my next video, I will be showing you how to use 15 minutes to do this, so that you will know how to trade this asset for a very long time. So guys, I will be stopping right here, but before I stop, I want you to go back to your chart. Have this set up on your chart. Try to identify the trend. Once you are able to get the trend, come in once you get your entry point signal, and you start trading with it. Once you have made some reasonable profit, once you have made some reasonable profit just like this, then you can introduce your stop loss in between. Okay, just divide it into two equal parts and introduce your stop loss. That is it. It is as easy as that, and you're going to love it at the end of the day. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will be dropping them off in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now, and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So watch out for my next video, and do not forget to join me later on in the day for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the markets live and direct, and of course I give out trading tips so that you will know what to go for whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.